Welcome to Caskinette RV, and take a look at another one of our great RVs from our inventory. An awning, entry step lights, spare tire and carrier, electric stabilizer jacks, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, outside shower, 5 slides, power tongue jack, outside speakers, shirt closets with nightstand, AM/FM CD DVD player, in-floor ducted heat, booth dinette, decorative wood plank flooring, range hood with exhaust fan and light, ball bearing drawer guides, cable TV hookup in bedroom, cable prep, satellite prep, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, bathroom cabinet with mirror, shower skylight, fire extinguisher, 3-burner cooktop, walk-around queen bed, drip spouts, LP leak detector, double-door refrigerator, entertainment center. Caskinette RV is your go-to Northern New York recreational dealer. We strive to make sure your experience is a great one through our commitment to customer service. Our seasoned staff has over 35 years combined experience providing top-notch, personalized sales and service. At Caskinette RV, we value the opportunity to create long-term relationships with our customers, and we do that by making sure we exceed your expectations. We know the kind of freedom and adventure you're looking for, so come see us today. Caskinette RV is located in Carthage at 36381 New York Route 26.